Peace and joy, guys. It's Nathan from Drumhiller Farms, and today we are going on a road trip. So you can see the dually is started up. We got it hooked up to the gooseneck, and we're gonna go down to Topeka, Indiana, and get some chicken feed. Beautiful sunrise here in Topeka, Indiana. This is Amish country, I'll tell you that. This guy's got a load. So basically I drove out of my way here because these roads are set up for buggies, I'll tell you that. And it actually is kind of unique that it's like you can see where the counties had to repair the roads where the horses' hooves are. But well, apparently they closed the location here, and the location is actually 20-30 minutes closer to where I came from. But the guy said they're gonna make it right with us, so I'm pretty happy about that. Got a hold up here, got a hold up. Something you don't really see a whole lot, but kind of unique. Something else that's kind of unique down here is this is a pretty main highway, and these Amish are just bookieing their buggies down the road. Semis, right here, semis just flying past them. Look at this big old tanker. That's a suicide jockey or something, just barreling down here by all these Amish. That horse don't care. I just can't believe it. I feel like I gotta get over, but nobody else even really, let's go around them. It's crazy. Tons of them. We're finally back at the customer pickup. Bins on bins on bins. Wow, that's a torpedo heater. Jeez. How many gallons a minute does that sucker take? Oh, we got a problem around here. Ay, ay, ay. Looks like I'm not getting back to town before 9. I got work to do in the city today also, not just farming stuff. If you can get it in the middle or something and just put the other one behind it, and I'll throw a strap down on them. I don't know. What do you think? You think I should put 2 straps on it, wrap it through there? I mean, I'm going 2 hours.
Right, these things move.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, I can't imagine there's going to be much water it's going to get down in.
just cut a slit through.
Right, that's right.
Feed it through.
We can only put 2 straps on them? did end up picking up another load today. All I did was drive. Oh, looks like we got a beef customer here too. So I gotta finish this video up. This guy here is coming. Alright guys, sorry about that. So yeah, the guy that showed up here, he called me. He was looking for goat meat. Guy was from Africa. Strong accent. And I'm pretty good. I mean, I deal with a lot of customers, and I thought I clearly understood what he said, but no, he was looking for goat meat right now. Definitely wants to order some beef from us in June. Currently looking for goat meat. I thought he was saying, I'm looking for some good meat. Well, shoot, I got the good meat, buddy. I don't have the goat meat, though. Anyhow, Allison's coming up from rock hounding. That's what she's really doing. She was out there moving the horse, but so we're gonna get these unloaded. She's gonna follow me down there and get the tractor and get these things unloaded real quick, and those are gonna be for a future video, a future project here on Drumheller Farm. So stay tuned. Appreciate you watching, and God bless.